Hi everybody, welcome to my course of PCB design of two projects using EasyEda idea to order PCB. My name is Hud Yassin and I am PCB design engineer. After this project, you will be able to design your own PCB. We will draw the block diagram of our project and we will learn how we can stepwise reach to our goal of designing our own PCB with the help of some schematics. One of the most important part in PCB designing is the understanding of datasheet. So we will understand a series of datasheets not only to select our IC but also for the selection of different components. So we will read and understand the datasheets of Zener diode, different capacitors, different inductors. With the help of JLC PCB and LCSC libraries, we can choose our required components. It is very important to have a complete understanding about the width of routing. For that purpose, we will use routing width calculator. This DG key you can see here, PCB trace width calculator. We will just put some values here, and also with the help of these formulas, this software or this website will give us the required width of our trace for routing. Bill of material, how we can order our PCB and components. By the end of this project, you will be able to design your own PCB as well as you can do professional online freelancing for designing PCB for different companies. If you are a beginner, in this course, you will also learn different basic electronic components and their working. This course is for basic learners of electronics and also for the people who have some basic understanding of PCB designing. Thank you and welcome to my course. See you in the course.